Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna show you how you can remove some flicker from your image in Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.
Alright, so we are in Davinci Resolve 17 right now, and I'm gonna show you how to remove that flickering in your image. So, flickering can be introduced when the frequency of your image is not the same as the frequency of your light, and it introduces that weird bending strobe effect on your image. We're gonna remove that in a second with an effect that is in Davinci Resolve. You can do it usually from the color page or the fusion page, but now it's brand new in the edit page with Davinci Resolve 17. So we're gonna go over to the effect library, and here we're gonna go with flicker, and we're gonna apply the Deflicker. So let's apply that on our clip, and here, as you can see, it's as simple as that, and the flicker disappear. It's super quick, super easy. It's really nice that now it's on the edit page. It was available before on the color and the fusion page, but now it makes it effortless to use. If you have any, flickering, you can just apply that, and it's all good. By the way, big thanks to Pierre T. Lambert to send me that footage from the A7S3. Big thanks to him. It's really helpful. It's a perfect example on, how flicker can ruin your image and how you can fix that in a couple of clicks in Davinci Resolve 17. I hope that was useful. Let me know in the comment what you would like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.